I'm still puzzled over the fact that some people are still choosing their next partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, based on physical appearance. That's really annoying to me. You know what I mean? Unless you're a little kid, you don't know anything about relationships. That's absolutely different, right? But if you're 25 and up, saying things like you want to build a relationship with someone, something that could turn into a family, something that could turn into a lifetime partner, why are you selecting your partner based on physical appearance? Physical appearance should be a bonus, something good to look at. In today's reality, you should focus more on emotional intelligence, spiritual connections, level of intimacy, level of understanding, how exactly the person was raised. What would happen if you were to give that person a chance to actually start a relationship with? And I know people are gonna say, yeah, but physical appearance is one of the first things you're gonna notice. I totally understand that, and you're right about that. But at the same time, that's why you're supposed to date. The dating process should help you understand if physical appearance is the only thing he or she has to offer. And from the point you realize that this person is toxic, this person is not good for you, the only thing you need to do is to kick them out of your life. Just that simple. But some of you don't understand the process, despite the fact that you understand that someone is there to suck the life out of you, simply because of how they look or whatever they are doing to you in bed, without understanding that the assignment was for you to check if the person was going to be good for you or not. That's what it is. And from the point you realize that this person is not going to fit well in your life, you bounce. No if but about it. But then again, you're wondering why you keep finding yourself in a brand new relationship every 6 months. That's why. Bad selections. So what I need you to understand is this. Some people are not good for you. And maybe you didn't see it at the beginning, but from the point you start to understand them for who they truly are, see them as who they are. Not who you thought they were or who you want them to be. Because that's the only way you're going to be able to save yourself from wasting your time and energy. So please, from now on, stop selecting your partner from just physical appearance.